Miss Parineeti Chopra with us today, who's here to bust a few myths and also tell us that there are certain taboos that you totally need to get rid of. So let's talk to Miss Chopra herself. Hi Parineeti, thank you so much for talking.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
First up, I'd like to ask you, India is a land of superstitions. So are there any superstitions that you find totally ridiculous?
Many. I'm very superstitious. Oh yeah, I'm very superstitious. Things like, if something good is happening and I'm wearing a certain t-shirt, then I'll wear that t-shirt when I want something good to happen. Or I'll always get out of the right side of the bed. I will never pass you scissors. I will, things like that. There are things, black cat, oh my God. I'll cry, I think, of a black cat. It's just something that you've grown up with always. But it's fun actually, superstitions can be fun.
Okay, also your movie, the release date has been pushed a little. So are you guys avoiding a sister-sister face-off? Or is it just...
No. It's got nothing to do with my sister. We actually have this big marketing plan, which we will reveal in a few days, for which we needed time to implement. Actually, we needed like at least 10-15 days. So 5th September was coming too soon. So we thought initially that we'll go ahead by a week, which was still not giving us enough time. So then we had to go 2 weeks ahead. It's got nothing to do with any other film.
So now it's Chopra versus Kapoor. There's Sonam Kapoor at the theatres at the same time. And it's a genre.
Apparently some 6 other films are coming, so it's Chopra versus everybody then that day, I guess.
But also the genre is a little similar with Khoobsurat and Daawat-e-Ishq. So they both, there's one rom-com comedy and there's one rom-com. So do you think it's going to be Sonam versus Parineeti at the box office?
No, not at all. I think if Khoobsurat is a good film and Daawat-e-Ishq is a good film, people will go and watch both. I don't think actors really, clash with each other. It's got nothing to do with Sonam or me, It's just whichever film you like to watch, you will go and watch. That's how I think. So I don't think it's a Sonam versus me at all, not at all.
So about actors clashing, we all the time hear about contemporaries being competition to each other. But recently Karan Johar posted a picture where there's this young brigade where Siddharth, Varun, all of you are chilling. So are you laying all these rumors to rest that no, we're great friends and we're actually bonding like big time?
And by the way, this was one picture that's come out. We chill together all the time. All of us are friends. Me, Sid, Varun, Alia, Arjun, Aditya, Shraddha. All of us chill together all the time. In fact, Karan has a lot of parties, so we always meet at his house. So at the moment, there's great friendship between all of us. So, in fact, we laugh at these rumors. In fact, now when we meet each other, we're like, are we fighting today? Not fighting? What is going on? Like, what's the media saying?
So, who's your closest friend amongst the young brigade?
All of them, I would be closest to Aditya, I think. Yeah, I'm closest to Aditya.